In response to the demands of professional comprehensive subsea inspections, QYSEA technology introduces the QYMT underwater measurement system, offering users a straightforward, efficient, safe, and precise solution for underwater measurements. The system lowers entry barriers, simplifying the process and reducing the cost associated with advanced underwater measurements. Clear and intuitive interface, simple to learn and utilize. The QYMT underwater measurement system's interface is logically organized to match user interaction habits, ensuring a concise and intuitive design. Additionally, each button is presented with both text and icons, enhancing clarity and ease of use. Multiple measurement modes simplify complex service. The QYMT system integrates various measurement modes, including length measurement, curve measurement, rectangular area and perimeter measurement, polygon area and perimeter measurement, angle measurement, and adaptive measurement of irregular shapes. It achieves millimeter-level measurement accuracy, enabling precise and efficient measurement of target objects and areas. The QYMT measurement system by QYSEA offers comprehensive and intelligent functionality, effortlessly ensuring significant reduction in measurement costs, simplified and efficient measurement steps, and safe and precise measurement processes.